Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, we need to update software version for your earbuds. To do this, open HONOR AI space application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see them at the device list. Click on it. And then at the right side, click at the update. At the bottom we have button check for updates, so click on it. And it checked, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. But if it didn't help you or you haven't new software version, the next step is to place your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now you need to wait about 15 seconds and the battery level of your earbuds in the charging case will update. So after that, you just open the charging case, your earbuds will reconnect to your phone and you need to check, is it fixed, your problem. And if it doesn't, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, and at the back side of each earbud we have touch areas. Right here and right here. And you need to press and hold this touch areas until this LED light starts blinking red. So press and hold, firstly it enters to pairing mode, so it starts blinking white. You just keep holding. And now, as you can see, we have this red LED light, so you can release your finger. And next we need to remove these earbuds from your phone, so open settings and go to the Bluetooth. Now at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds and then forget the device. Now forget device again. And if you have Android, after that click pair new device at the top. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we don't need to enter pairing mode manually, we just tap these earbuds at the device list to reconnect them with the phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!